That's so weird, isn't it?
Right, so here we are at Liz's hospital, and there's a nest of birds hidden behind this board, and if you go up really close you can hear the baby birds, and if we're lucky we'll see an adult bird go inside, because it's going back and forth. There it goes, and he'll come out again now, having fed one of them. Oh, another one going in. That's both the adults in, so they're both going in and out getting food for the babies. There's one out. And there's a pigeon watching. And I got really close earlier and I could hear them. I don't know whether the phone's picking this up, but I can hear them in there.